Hello, Jamie. Happy Monday. Happy Veterans Day. I just wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you what I'm talking about. So I would just open up a case with dealer.com, which I can because they're part of Cox Automotive. But under Biggers, this on their website, under their service tab, they have scheduled maintenance menus. So all dealer.com would do is add this to your website so that when the customer goes to your service drop down, they'll see the scheduled maintenance menus that we pulled over from, or actually Mitsubishi supplies to us. So that when you click on this, yours is going to look like this as well. If you have any questions, just give me a call, 312-317-8519, 312-317-8519. Like I said, I just opened up a case and dealer.com will add it for you. I've got the web linking instructions I requested the other day. I received them this morning and I could just send them right over. All right, thank you.